how to get MLB.TV on any Samsung TV in 2026. So in order to get it, first of all, on your Samsung TV remote, you need to simply press the home button. So when you press the home button, you are going to see these types of options here on top of your TV. So you just have to look for the option of apps. When you are inside the apps, simply use the search bar in order to search for MLB.TV. So if you are able to find its application, you just have to simply install the application on your device. On Samsung TVs running Tizen operating system, this particular application is available on most of the 2017 and the newer models. Now, after opening the application, you just have to simply look for the login option or the sign in option, which will be available on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now here you will either enter your login credentials directly, or you are going to get an activation code. If you get an activation code, you just have to open the MLB activation page on your phone or laptop, then enter the code and your TV will sign in automatically. If the option is to basically enter your credentials, you just have to simply enter your email address and your password, and then it is going to sign you in automatically. So once set up, you can enjoy smooth streaming on your Samsung TV very easily. Thank you.